Hi guys, my name is your honorable host, Gingerbread Master, and today we're gonna teach these 4 doors, 3 Uptownians, and 1 country girl off the cost. We're gonna start with the leader of the geeks.
How we are called country girl though?
Like a girl. It's a bumbuckler, I'm here.
No, you said bumbuckler nice.
I'm still a bumbuckler artistic girl, I'm sometimes a bumbuckler.
No, bumbuckler thinking shit.
In your mouth, stick no bumbuckler like on the belly.
That's why you go spit in your face. And it's a stinking mouth I go spit on you.
Oh, we're gonna teach them how to cuss, right? You ready, Savisha?
I'm ready.
Say somebody go suck them, man. I'm here to say suck them, man.
That's rude. I don't really like to say stuff like that.
Bumbuckler is a fucking need. Say suck your mother. Say suck your mother.
Don't say nothing about my mom.
Come out of the class. Alright, we got Mr. Big Lips.
No, let me carry on with the class, bro.
If you're a bumbuckler shark with your big bumbuckler teeth, I'm gonna suck your mother on the belly, boy. Say that now, say that. Say suck your mother.
Suck your mom, dude.
Alright, come out of the class. We have Dante. Yay!
Suck your mom, bro.
Alright, come out of the blood clot classroom. Duplex! Duplex, you hear me, darling? Tell Savitar to go suck your mother.
Savitar, go hold them.
Oi, eggs!
This isn't you.
Savitar.
That's to me, idiot girl. Come down there.
Cuss him, cuss him.
Don't let me disrespect you here, girl.
You can't disrespect
Spit on her. Spit on her.
Achoo.
I want to spit on you. You want some of my ketchup and rice? Look hungry. Look at you. You feel like some fucking madman at the street with your head. You so. Look at you.
When I let mother ask you a classroom, man.
Gingerbread body master, you're not gonna make her talk to me.
You want to go suck out to the woman. No,
you go suck out back here, man.
You go suck your mother.
You batty man down below me, so you go suck for your mother to batty boy. With a bumbuckler big nose. You long click, girl. We are by pan nail, that's what a
It is
bumbuckler
not
thing.
long.
What this ugly,
It
girl?
is not long.
Big tough face, girl. Look at your neck long, bitch. You feel a ostrich.
It's
You
not
fucking
long.
ugly bumbuckler, girl. Right turn, left turn, up turn, down turn. Suck them on the belly, girl. You just come like remote control, bitch. You know batty boy.
You're not gonna talk to my friend like that, Gingerbread body master. You're not gonna.
You ugly bumbuckler boy with a flat shirt pussy. A thief as a madman back in a big ugly long clip batty man.
Actually, it's a quarter.
Suck them on the belly, boy.
It
Hi
takes
guys, my name is Dante, and I like to eat ass.
Suck them on batty boy. You're next one, boy. Lick out them on the belly, boy. Who next?
You're not gonna talk to my friends
big
like that.
pussy boy. You would fear bumbuckler pussy lip, eh? Cause suck out them on the belly, boy, with a bumbuckler shark teeth, them batty man. Alright.
I want to finger his pussy lip.
You know Matitar. You would fear bumbuckler brush them down pussy. Like a fentanyl having a fear blood clot more Batman. Like you take you away them off people in fence and put in a ass clot more look a ballad Batman. Suck out them on the belly boy.
You're not gonna talk to me and my friends like that. Just don't make me buck you at halfway tree. That's fine.
Fucking York. Say that again.
Listen to me.
my dad, man.
My dad is Andrew Holness and you're not gonna get away with this.
Savitar, charge up, man.
Duplex, charge with us.
Reach for some of my ketchup and rice.
Gabby, Nipsey, they've been bullying me at school and I don't know what to do.
Idiot girl, what am I bullying for this time?
Oh shit, them a bully. You look like some little nerd girl. What them do? What them do?
They're always just picking on me for no reason and
What pick on you?
What them name?
they call him the Gingerbread Buddy Master.
Yeah, I get bullied by a youth named the Gingerbread Body Master. When the terrorize the school with him body.
Raised by one ginger body.
That is some of the things he's been calling you, huh? Megamind, Sid from ICH,
Piano teeth.
Duplex artistic cousin.
Trixie 11K.
Are actually kind of new. I've never heard those ones before.
What are the type of things he's been saying to you?
Let me know.
Because my glasses are stupid.
Yes. At least I can see my dad, what you don't have.
I'm gonna write that down.
What else that Gingerbread Body man is saying to you?
He's always saying mean stuff about my mom.
Like what?
Your mom's so fat, she can't even walk through the door.
At least she's my mom. At least she's mom.
She's my mom, yeah.
Yeah.
What else does he say?
He's always saying that my teeth look like train tracks.
He's my smile brightens up the world while he's so black. And
At least my smile brightens up the day, while your smile is super lame.
Oh, burn. If you see him, what are you gonna say? You're gonna be scared?
Of course not. I'm gonna use all the stuff that you guys taught me. And I'm gonna tell him that he's a stupid. Guys, that's him! That's my.
I gingerbread body master that?
That's the gingerbread monk.
Our friend has learned a few things.
Try me.
What are you talking about, gang? I don't even bully
You
you.
always tell me about my mother and how she's fat.
Hey, gamin tala boya mara. Big orange gamin na suck out tama gamin tala boya mara. Big long click gamin tala boya mara.
And you always tell me about my glasses.
Fucking bend up, teach them gamin tala boya mara.
Yes!
You fucking vieille na konta mo mi tala boya. Mi tala boya.
Every day you put me in the lockers. And then you go kiss the freshmen under the stairs.
I go big fuck out, girl. You see me kiss the man under the stairs?
I don't even know what that word means. You're such a stupid fart.
Fart? Did you just call me a fart?
Oh yeah. What's she gonna do about it, huh?
I'm still going to
I'm gonna carry Nexie and Savvy with me. Right, guys?
the fuck are these dorks gonna do?
Nexie and Savvy are gonna come and they're gonna beat.
Make sure you deserve it.
Anyways, don't laugh at me. Let's talk out them one. Don't laugh at me.
Fart.
If you let me want to go and carry run over your kilo. You know, you don't feel like I tell if you're dead.
You can't even drive.
You know, that's how I'm gonna use a clip speed steering. Stuck your mummer. Tell me I'm gonna get a shake like this. Circle that shake. Circle that shake. Rocky two side, Rocky two side. Kita blink like blinker. Okay, Rocky two side, Rocky two side. Wanna come back for? Let's talk out in.
Yes, we have some problems, Gingerbread Bunny Master. Me and Nexo, right, Nexo?
Yeah, we have some problems, bro. Like, we need your help, bro.
Good one.
And like, we get it bring down in mix.
No matter try to bring me down, bro.
Trickster.
Is it me?
Oh, so you want to bring them down? Basically, we want to start a mix up over here.
Definitely, bro. Let me show you her picture. Hold on.
I'm just ugly that.
Gingerbread, stop now, you make me blush.
I know him can't get.
This is the girl that brought me down on TikTok other day. Because I didn't want to crack.
So
So guys, we're not gonna tell me how.
Oh, do that. I will bring out.
Well, Duplex, since you're like the queen of mix-up, we brought you here to help us as well and to tell us what we can, you know, as the queen of spitting on people and bawling.
Mr. Who bring her in? Who bring her in? Which one I wanna bring her in my classroom? Which one?
Savitar, so me feel cool.
Brace his mouth. Where bring the buckler girl in for? Who the fuck did I say to come in my classroom?
Savitar, are you going to betray me?
Am I not
I don't
talking
know
to
her,
Savitar?
Gingerbread Bunny Master. I'm kinda scared.
Am I not talking to Brace's mouth? Why did you bring her in here?
Don't switch up now. Don't switch up.
Dante and Nexo, not speaking to you. So shut the fuck up.
Next, I guess Trace.
I just thought she was good at mix-ups, Gingerbread Bunny Master. That's all it was to it.
Yeah, we were just using her.
So hold on there. Are this a girl that spit party people in real life?
Cassie never wanted her.
Okay. No, not speak my language. Okay. Welcome, what's your name? Speed Planet? Welcome. My name is
actually Duplex.
Speed Planet. My name is Excuse me?
Duplex.
You're in my classroom. Speed Planet. As I was saying, my name is the Gingerbread Body Master. It's nice to meet you. How are you doing today?
Savitar, you spit pan me now.
So may I talk to the girl and she ignore me?
Oops.
Savitar, you spit pan me.
I'm sorry, what you want?
You want me to make it even?
You want me to call Tish on you?
My fingers are spraying right now.
Your fingers are what?
Spraying, not right now.
This take a whole turn. Just continue.
I just thought she was good at mix-up, so you're the king of mix-up and she's the queen.
You basically
Are y'all gonna fuck? I mean, yeah, continue.
I mean, do you wanna,
No, I'm a virgin.
not talking to you. Talking to you, Duplex. You wanna, you wanna feel some of this ginger,
Gingerbread, are you having sex on the live?
With you, yeah. So the people are going.
Oh no.
But yeah, man, over for the hood.
What the
Okay.
fuck? Bro, later. No.
We can't